Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Visual ChatGPT. For using Visual ChatGPT, you need to upgrade your GPT 3.5 to GPT 4. So if you go for ChatGPT 4 version, you have to upgrade it by 20 US dollars. You can go and see here. So I don't wanna do this, that's why I'm using this Bing version, ChatGPT Bing. So this is the free GPT-4 version. If you go for it, and you can see this is the GPT-4 version. You can use this visual ChatGPT from here with free. So if I go for in this media option and go for my and ask her for tell me about Barbie doll, and let's see. So it takes a few seconds or minutes, so I have to just wait for it. So you can see uh, it gives me all the information from here. It gives me more photos of Barbie doll and give me all the information of Barbie doll, about the Barbie doll. So yeah, you can use Visual ChatGPT like this. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.